So, when I said I would come up to the mountain river in the little village, Blatnicky, here I am. That's what you call a shallow river. Start off in this little weir pool up here. Maybe another 200 metres I can fish up, and then that's it. That's the boundary between the where you can fish. I believe there is another little section above. You need to have some special government permit or something for that. The general permit, my permit, the one you can get as a tourist, takes you about 200 metres up. That little run you can see there, I've came down it before. Above this I need to go around the back. Taking a lot of fish in there. Small brown trout, some grayling. I don't expect anything big here. Occasionally there's some crazy stockfish in. Today we're looking for little playful browns. The water is crystal clear coming down the mountains. And it was raining up here while I was downriver. No rain downriver, but it rained up here, which is because it sits right below the mountains. It really is a mountain village, and it's beautiful. Really worth a visit. Nice little things to see, ruined castles, things like this. A lot of people come walking it this summer. It's funny, but the river's quite sedate. This is running because of the rain, so downstream is still... Oh! Fish come up, took that fly while I was talking. Sitting in that little pocket there to try and slow the fly down. There are fish sitting in these pockets. Wasn't a big fish, but it's fun. Nice fish to catch. River's going a bit fast. Oh, there's a nice fish sitting. Yeah, just before. See the gap in between those two rocks? That's why we're going to try and cast. Missed it completely. That fish seen the fly though. I seen him turning to look. Oh, there we go. That's what you call sight fishing. It's a decent little brown trout. I'm going to net him. Decent trout. And that little cascade. Sight fished him, seen him. Second cast, managed to get over him and take him. Lovely. Jubbly. There you go. Oh, sorry. Oh. Swimming right back up into the pool. Like nothing had happened. Thinking about it. Thinking about what I've got in my box. Oh, there we go. At last. That was that one that was annoying me. Hooked right in the lip, so let's get him flipped off. Okay, I need to lift him. The fly was at a funny angle, just couldn't flip it off him. Okay, that was a second fish I'd say. It's really fast. There's two advantages. Well, there's advantages and disadvantages. One, he's really good. Once you get on him, you've not got a lot of time to reject your fly. Problem is getting on him and getting the speed of the current and getting the strike in. That's secondary to how many takes and how many fish you actually get. Because the water's nice and flat, it's easier to cast to them. But it's easier to get rejected. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice fish. Oh, beauty. Oh, that's a crazy brown trout. Oh yeah. Sitting at the back of the pool. Really fast, shallow water. Wow. Nice mountain brownie. Mountain river brownie. Wow. There we go. Okay, so whaley coming. Pull it. If you bear with me, we'll have a few casts. There we go. That is a nice brown trout. Like a little torpedo, the shape of it. Just a beautiful river fish. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's back in the water. That's where Hey! Oi! What's those little guys saying, eh? What's those little guys saying? Hello, cookies. Some bloody noise they're making. Hey, you can go. Slightly up a little bit. Two streams join to form this stream, and that's the limit. I told you I would come here, try it. You can see under the bridge, you see that little pool up there. It's actually a nice little pool, and occasionally has fish in it, so I would even say occasionally, that's wrong. It has fish in it. You need to be good enough to take them. Sometimes in these little fast runs here, these little gouged out bits, you occasionally get fish sitting and you can hit them. Let's see. Oh, not today. Maybe my fly's just too big. I don't like it. Anyhow, that's me. I usually try and fish before I get in the water to make sure I'm not standing on my fish. Pop! There we go. Oh, nice one. Nice fish. It's like a tunnel here going between the houses. That is a nice fish. It's a nice brown trout sitting in a really fast stream. Whoa! Flies out. Fish is in the net. I won't even show you them. I'll just put them back in there without handling them. Nice. Here's a way I see them. Wow. Oh, fish landed itself in the gravel. That's a fish. That's a fish worthy of a few casts here. There you are. Look at the spots on that fish. I'm going to take a picture of it. Smile! Smile! Trying to get on its side to get the spots. Smile! Okay. Now it gets netted. There we go. Lovely fish. Small river. Beautiful fish. Not even sure what the camera is. It's the camera.